This is the Reading to Learn Math for section 4.1. It's on parallel lines and planes. It tells you up here what parallel lines are, what parallel planes are, and it tells you what skew lines are. Remember, skew lines look like this. So, completing the lesson. Complete each sentence to form a statement that is always true. If two lines are always the same distance apart, then they do not intersect. Part B. In geometry, if two planes do not intersect, then they are parallel planes. Part C. Two lines that do not intersect are either parallel or skew. Part D. Two lines that lie in different planes and do not intersect are called skew lines. Number 2, we're going to use the diagram to the right. Determine whether each statement is true or false from the diagram. If the statement is false, rewrite it to make it a true statement. Plane WXR, that's the top of the figure, is skewed to plane TZR. That's the plane on the left side. The plane on the top and the plane on the left side touch each other, so they're not skew. So we'll change that to make it true. We'll put intersect. Planes cannot be skew. They're either going to touch each other or they're going to be parallel. Part B. Segment RS is parallel to segment VY. There's segment VY, there's segment RS. They definitely don't touch, but they're not in the same plane either. These are called skew lines or segments. Part C. Segment XY and segment SV are parallel. That's true. They're both in the same plane. That's the plane on the right. Part D. Plane WZY, that's the back of the figure, is parallel to plane RST. That's the front of the figure. That's true. Number 3, write several sentences about the similarities and differences between parallel and skew lines. Well, we'll talk about the differences and you guys can write the several sentences. The similarities would be parallel and skew lines. Parallel lines don't touch. Skew lines don't touch. The differences would be parallel lines are in the same plane. Skew lines are not in the same plane.